Now I will fit the seal for the gearbox. Just with a little bit oil. That's good. Now I'm gonna fit the gears. First I'm gonna put some silicone on the cover because the seal is not new one and sometimes they will leak. I always put some oil on that needle bearing so it won't run dry the first time you use it. Now I'm placing the seal inside the gear cover. I put some silicone on it so it will stay in place, so it's easy to fit. Oops. Perfect. Fits like a glove. And after this, it's time to fit the cylinder. Always wait to put oil in so the silicone can dry. If you don't have silicone, it's no problem. You can put the oil inside. Now I'm gonna fit the intake and the reed valves. Just put a little bit silicone here. Not much, so it won't squirt out. First this plate comes on. It's to lift up the reed valves, otherwise they will hit the crank. I have a vForce 4, but I also have the vForce 3, so I first gonna test with the 4 and then the 3 to test the difference. I also have the stock Molossi reeds an intake, but it's only for 28mm carb. So now I'm gonna test the new vForce. On my other engine I have the vForce 3 and it works perfectly. So now we want to test vForce 4. And if it doesn't work like I want, I can still fit this vForce 3. This is a 3D printed intake from HK Scooter Performance. And that's it.